Oh my god, look at that freaking volume, people. Look at this freaking volume. Hey guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So today's video is brought to you guys by OMGqueen Hair. So I didn't install this unit yet, guys. You really don't have to. So let me just show you guys something really quick. So this unit, guys, is very pretty. The unit came to me in a bang style. In this video, I will show you guys how I cut and layer this unit. But this was originally a front bang style, guys, but it ended up becoming the Farrah Fawcett look. Now, this is the unit glueless. There is no glue on it, but I am going to glue the edges down because I want to do styles with this one that will look better if I have my little edges popping, which I will show you guys. But for the purpose of the video, it is a glueless unit, so if you just want a glueless unit, you don't really have to watch the install part. Here you go. So in this video, I will show you guys how I made the middle part like more prominent, how I got the curls and everything. I did go ahead and show you guys how I layered the hair and all that kind of stuff and do like light curls. So that part, if you want to see that part, you can go ahead and watch. But if you're just looking for a glueless unit that's bomb AF, here you go. So this is what you're gonna get. Obviously, if you want to go ahead and put these sides down, you can. You don't have to glue the sides down. You can just spray it down. They'll stay pretty flat. Once you spray it, you'll have the hair stay down just like that. I did go ahead and customize the hairline just because I want to kind of have like that real true effect. Do cute little styles, kind of like something like this, guys. Like a little half up, half down look. It would just look really nice if your edges are down. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that as well. So guys, if you are interested in a glueless unit, go ahead and purchase. It's a very nice unit. I wore it today out real quick because I had to run and do errands, and I got so many compliments on it. And like I said, it's not glued down or anything. I literally just put the curls in it and just made sure the hair was covering. The wind was blowing, but nothing was showing too much. It pretty much stays flat. You might have to kind of maneuver it a little bit on the sides if you're not gonna wear glue. But I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit the way this hair video. I've been getting so many comments, so many questions about this unit, so I'm finally giving you guys the hair review for today. So this unit was sent to me from OMGqueen Hair. I've had this unit for quite some time, guys. It is absolutely one of my favorite units right now. Definitely a banger for the spring and summertime. So I'm super happy that they sent this unit to me. As you guys can see, it's full glam, full kind of like Farrah Fawcett kind of curtain bangs and stuff like that. So this unit originally came to me in a front bang, but most of the times the companies will send you the wigs with the front bangs being a little bit longer. So what I did with this unit, guys, is I split it down the middle and made it into curtain bangs. And might I tell you guys, this color combination and everything is absolutely stunning. The hair texture is a Yaki texture, but the hair curls to perfection. I've had this unit for a little bit over 3 weeks, guys, and I've worn it several times, and the unit just looks absolutely stunning. Effortless styling. Curling it, the curls last all day, guys, with a little hairspray, and you have like this really nice voluminous type of look. So it's a girl crush type of hairstyle for me. I don't know about the rest of you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the install part. I'm going to show you guys how I originally installed this unit. It does come with adjustable straps, so this unit technically is glueless. I did show it to you guys where I just, where I glued the ear tops down and I sprayed the top. So I'll show you guys the original install. For this install, I just used my Even Wonder Lace to get this one back down, and I used my olive oil wig grip spray, which really helped as far as styling. I also used this hairspray for overall kind of getting all the wig to keep its like nice curl hold. So you guys can see right now the hairstyle is looking lit AF, guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the install part.
Sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whatever we meet, when you gonna get no sleep? I get to be together with you. It's like all complete. have time to sleep, but we can dream so thick outside the box. Show me how much you are missing me. I'll read between the lines and dodge your whole ignorance. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fait complete. We gonna get no sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fait complete. We gonna get no sleep.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the install part of this video. I do want to show you guys a curling iron that I used for the styling of this hair. So I did use the Hot Tools curler, guys. This is a 1/4 inch barrel. This is basically what I used to get the curls to be this nice. I also did use flexi rods throughout this install and throughout the times that I installed this unit. The flexi rods definitely give the bounce that you guys see in this unit. So I recommend with the Yaki texture here that you guys go ahead and use flexi rods if you want kind of like a nice, very full glamour style like this. Like I said to you guys, this style lasts all day long. I literally was filming today for Instagram reels and stuff like that. The hair was gorgeous during that. It lasted the entire day. Obviously, I did go ahead and show you guys a little bit of touch-ups by showing you guys how I curl it. The hair curls beautifully, guys. I did use the Olive Oil Super Hold Wig Grip Spray. Even though it's for installing the unit, I use this as an overall spray for styling as well too, guys. Just because it really is a strong hold spray, so it holds curls to the T, guys. So this unit, as you guys saw, it was sent to me as a bang wig, but the bangs were long enough that I was able to part it and make myself like these little curtain bangs. Now you guys can see from straight ahead how it kind of folds in like this and kind of goes into like this curl effect. I did go ahead and cut layers into the bottom part here as well too to kind of frame my face, so you guys kind of get the overall look of this. It's not gonna be like your deep Farrah Fawcett type of curls, but this one is just perfect, guys. Perfect for the length and the style and everything. So I know you guys are super impressed by the volume of the hair. The unit is 18 inches long, guys, and it is 180% density, and don't forget it is a Yaki texture, so therefore that's where you're getting all of the volume in this hair. So I know most of the time people don't really like to curl Yaki hair. People think Yaki hair won't curl well. This by far, in my opinion, is the best curling Yaki hair that I've ever gotten. You guys can also see that they did go ahead and do like kind of like light highlights in it. The highlights aren't anything too crazy. It's like the perfect touch of highlights. So if you're someone that really doesn't try color or is not into color or anything like that, this is such a nice light way to start. And they also did the colors in the bang as well too, which I thought was an excellent job. Like I said, this unit is a glueless unit, guys. It is a glueless wig cap, so it comes with an adjustable strap and a very nice comb in the back, so it's very secure. If you don't want to glue it down, you don't have to, but if I want to do kind of styles when I just leave the curtain bangs out and do like ponytails, I do glue the ear tabs down just to kind of give me that full effect. So you guys can see I did go ahead and do the ear tabbage on the side, but for the most part I like it just down like this. I think it just looks absolutely stunning, guys. This is the most glam wig on a budget, and a glam wig that you wouldn't think you'd be able to turn into a glam wig, if you know what I mean. Because like I said, this unit was supposed to be a front bang unit, but I feel like curtain bangs, they should just change the name of it, make the hair in the front a little bit longer, and make this a curtain bang wig, because it does very, very well. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. I'll leave a coupon code down below or in the video if you want to go ahead and purchase this unit from OMGqueen Hair. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.